Let me grab that for you. Let me grab that for you.
Oh, thanks so much. Oh, thanks so much.
Let me get the door. Let me get the door.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Let me know if you need anything else. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do, thanks. Will do, thanks.
Let me just check quickly. Let me just check quickly.
No rush. No rush.
Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do.
That would be great. That would be great.
Let me think about it for a moment. Let me think about it for a moment.
Take your time. Take your time.
Let me explain what happened. Let me explain what happened.
I'm all ears. I'm all ears.
Let me give you a hand. Let me give you a hand.
You're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver.
Let me tell you about my day. Let me tell you about my day.
I'd love to hear it. I'd love to hear it.
Let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Perfect, I need help with that. Perfect, I need help with that.
Let me get this straight. Let me get this straight.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Let me try that again. Let me try that again.
You got this. You got this.
Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts.
I'll send you an email. I'll send you an email.
Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions.
I probably will. I probably will.
Let me just grab my coat. Let me just grab my coat.
No worries. No worries.
Let me know if you're free later. Let me know if you're free later.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
Let me just quickly check my phone. Let me just quickly check my phone.
Sure. Sure.
Let me know if you want to join. Let me know if you want to join.
I'd love to. I'd love to.
Let me just put this away. Let me just put this away.
Take your time. Take your time.
Let me know if you need a ride. Let me know if you need a ride.
That would be awesome. That would be awesome.
Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready.
I'll text you. I'll text you.
Let me just finish this first. Let me just finish this first.
No problem, I can wait. No problem, I can wait.
Let me get you a drink. Let me get you a drink.
That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you.
Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Let me walk you to your car. Let me walk you to your car.
You don't have to, but thanks. You don't have to, but thanks.
Let me pick up the tab tonight. Let me pick up the tab tonight.
Are you sure? That's generous. Are you sure? That's generous.
Let me know if that works for you. Let me know if that works for you.
I'll check my schedule. I'll check my schedule.
Let me just confirm the time. Let me just confirm the time.
Good idea. Good idea.
Let me know if you change your mind. Let me know if you change your mind.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will.
Let me help you carry those bags. Let me help you carry those bags.
They are a bit heavy, thanks. They are a bit heavy, thanks.
Let me just grab a coffee. Let me just grab a coffee.
Want me to get you one? Want me to get you one?
Let me know if you're feeling better. Let me know if you're feeling better.
I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated.
Let me just tie my shoe. Let me just tie my shoe.
No problem. No problem.
Let me know if you find it. Let me know if you find it.
I'm still looking. I'm still looking.
Let me just send this email. Let me just send this email.
Okay? Okay?
Let me know if you're coming. Let me know if you're coming.
I'll decide soon. I'll decide soon.
Let me just check the weather. Let me just check the weather.
Is it gonna rain? Is it gonna rain?
Let me know if you hear anything. Let me know if you hear anything.
I'll be sure to. I'll be sure to.
Let me just grab my keys. Let me just grab my keys.
Ready when you are. Ready when you are.
Let me know if you need a break. Let me know if you need a break.
I might soon. I might soon.
Let me just adjust this. Let me just adjust this.
Is it better now? Is it better now?
Let me know if you're comfortable. Let me know if you're comfortable.
Very much so. Very much so.
Let me just take a picture. Let me just take a picture.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you like it.
I'm sure I will. I'm sure I will.
Let me just grab my wallet. Let me just grab my wallet.
Don't forget it. Don't forget it.
Let me know if you're ready to order. Let me know if you're ready to order.
Almost. Almost.
Let me just check the time. Let me just check the time.
Are we running late? Are we running late?
Let me know if you need anything from the store. Let me know if you need anything from the store.
Oh, could you grab some milk? Oh, could you grab some milk?
Let me just get my bag. Let me just get my bag.
Okay. Okay.
Let me know if you want to watch a movie. Let me know if you want to watch a movie.
What's playing? What's playing?
Let me just make a quick call. Let me just make a quick call.
Go for it. Go for it.
Let me know if you're hungry. Let me know if you're hungry.
I'm always hungry. I'm always hungry.
Let me just put on some music. Let me just put on some music.
What are you listening to? What are you listening to?
Let me know if you're cold. Let me know if you're cold.
I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks.
Let me just get my thoughts together. Let me just get my thoughts together.
Take your time. Take your time.
Let me know if you're tired. Let me know if you're tired.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Let me just check the map. Let me just check the map.
Are we lost? Are we lost?
Let me know if you're lost. Let me know if you're lost.
I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay.
Let me just grab a snack. Let me just grab a snack.
Want to share? Want to share?
Let me know if you're thirsty. Let me know if you're thirsty.
I could use some water. I could use some water.
Let me just close the window. Let me just close the window.
It's a bit chilly. It's a bit chilly.
Let me know if you're too warm. Let me know if you're too warm.
I'm good. I'm good.
Let me just open the door for you. Let me just open the door for you.
Thanks, you're a gentleman lady. Thanks, you're a gentleman lady.
Let me know if you need a hand with that. Let me know if you need a hand with that.
It's a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy.
Let me just turn off the lights. Let me just turn off the lights.
Good idea. Good idea.
Let me know if you're scared. Let me know if you're scared.
I'm a little bit. I'm a little bit.
Let me just grab my umbrella. Let me just grab my umbrella.
It looks like rain. It looks like rain.
Let me know if you're feeling unwell. Let me know if you're feeling unwell.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Let me just check the news. Let me just check the news.
Anything interesting? Anything interesting?
Let me know if you want to go for a walk. Let me know if you want to go for a walk.
I'd love to. I'd love to.
Let me just put on my shoes. Let me just put on my shoes.
Ready to go? Ready to go?
Let me know if you're bored. Let me know if you're bored.
I'm not, thanks. I'm not, thanks.
Let me just grab my glasses. Let me just grab my glasses.
Can't see without them. Can't see without them.
Let me know if you're having fun. Let me know if you're having fun.
I am. I am.
Let me just check my messages. Let me just check my messages.
Anything important? Anything important?
Let me know if you want to play a game. Let me know if you want to play a game.
What game? What game?
Let me just grab a pen. Let me just grab a pen.
Here's one. Here's one.
Let me know if you need a charger. Let me know if you need a charger.
My phone is dying. My phone is dying.
Let me just get my headphones. Let me just get my headphones.
Listening to music? Listening to music?
Let me know if you want to listen to this. Let me know if you want to listen to this.
Sure, what is it? Sure, what is it?
Let me just check the oven. Let me just check the oven.
Is dinner ready? Is dinner ready?
Let me know if you want dessert. Let me know if you want dessert.
Always. Always.
Let me just grab a book. Let me just grab a book.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
Let me know if you want to read this. Let me know if you want to read this.
I'm interested. I'm interested.
Let me just check the mail. Let me just check the mail.
Any bills? Any bills?
Let me know if you got the package. Let me know if you got the package.
Not yet. Not yet.
Let me just grab my laptop. Let me just grab my laptop.
Going to work? Going to work?
Let me know if you need help with your computer. Let me know if you need help with your computer.
It's acting up. It's acting up.
Let me just get my camera. Let me just get my camera.
Taking pictures? Taking pictures?
Let me know if you want to take a picture. Let me know if you want to take a picture.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Let me just grab my jacket. Let me just grab my jacket.
It's getting cold. It's getting cold.
Let me know if you're warm enough. Let me know if you're warm enough.
I'm good. I'm good.
Let me just check the time again. Let me just check the time again.
Still early. Still early.
Let me know if you're ready to leave. Let me know if you're ready to leave.
Almost. Almost.
Let me just grab my phone. Let me just grab my phone.
Don't forget it. Don't forget it.
Let me know if you want to call them. Let me know if you want to call them.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Let me just check the schedule. Let me just check the schedule.
What's next? What's next?
Let me know if you're free tomorrow. Let me know if you're free tomorrow.
I'll check. I'll check.
Let me just grab my sunglasses. Let me just grab my sunglasses.
It's sunny out. It's sunny out.
Let me know if you need anything at all. Let me know if you need anything at all.
You're too kind. You're too kind.